Hi guys, we've got another drawing challenge for you. We've been so impressed with your drawings that you've sent us when you've took part in the tutorials. They've been amazing and we'd love for you to keep taking part and sending us your pictures. So let's start. So firstly, I want you to draw a circle like that, and then another circle underneath it. So you've got one circle on top of the other. Then I want you to join these two circles like so. Then I need you to take your rubber and rub out the inside of the drawing. You leave like a sausage shape. The next thing I want you to do is draw a circle near the top of your sausage shape. And then a circle inside the circle, like so. Then the next thing I want you to do is draw a line this side and a line the other side. Then some lines at the top and another circle in the middle of the two circles. Then a little arch shaped underneath. The next thing, I want you to draw a rectangle and then another rectangle on the other side. And then join these two rectangles up like that. Then I want you to draw a little square underneath that triangle and the same on the other side. Then I need you to draw a line and then a little smile under the line. Then I need you to draw two triangles, or I suppose they're more like a square here and one here. Then I need you to draw a little curve here and one the other side, and then a bigger curve and the same on the other side. Then you need to draw a little oval shape there and a little oval shape there. And you've now drew a minion. So what you need to do is get your colouring pencils. So you will need blue and yellow, which I'm having trouble finding, but I shall find them. So if you take your blue and colour in the dungarees, and you can use your pencil if you've not got black, and that is to colour in his eye. Like so. And you can even outline your whole drawing with the black because that'll make it stand out more. And then take your yellow, which I'm having trouble finding, and colour in all this area here with yellow. And that's your minion. Bye!